Climate change. I want to talk about this important issue, why it's happening, and what we can do about it. Firstly, let's define climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term changes in temperature, precipitation, and weather pattern that are occurring around the world, primarily as a result of human activities. This includes the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and land use changes that are causing an increase in greenhouse gas emission and trapping more heat in the atmosphere. So, what are the impacts of climate change? There are many, including more frequent heat waves, droughts, and natural disasters such as typhoons and wildfires. Rising sea levels are also causing coastal erosion and flooding, and changing precipitation patterns are affecting agricultural production and food security.
We asked different kind of students in Partido State University about climate change. In their own perceptions, what is their idea about climate change? What they think is the reason or cause of having a climate change? The mood or their feelings during climate change, and what they can do to help to prevent climate change. And this is the result.
So, ay kuya, pwede ba kitang ma-interview for our school project po?
Sige.
So, ito po yung question. What is your idea about climate change?
Ang idea ko sa pagkakaroon ng climate change is yung pagbabago ng klima,
Pagbabago ng panahon,
normal change in sa climate.
Yung yung environment or world nakaka-experience ng climate change. Yung climate change kaso normal yun sa natin. Sa rotation kan sa tuyang mundo. However, when it comes to climate change nowadays, medyo abnormal na siya because of the carbon dioxide na produce sa atmosphere, which is nagiging siyang
More dangerous sa mga sa tao tas sa iba-ibang living
organism.
What do you think is the reason or cause of climate change?
actually there are many reasons kung bakit nagkakaroon ng climate change.
ang cause ng climate change, pollution, pagsunog ng mga plastic, tulad ng friend, joke. Tulad ng mga plastic na basura.
Warming or yung pag-init ng mundo. Dahil sa sobrang dami ng fossil fuel na sinusunog, instead na paggamit ng renewable energy para ma-generate yung less heat na naproduce dito sa mundo natin, kaya nagkakaigakit ang climate change.
Kung sakto, ang pinaka-cause talaga ng climate change is the pollution. Pero
What is your mood or behavior bago magkaroon ng climate change?
Depende sa panahon.
nakakairita yung init. Nakakairita talaga. Kasi medyo nakakainis lang, saka nakakairita kasi nga, sobrang init. Hindi kinakaya ng ating katawan.
Last two question. What can you do to prevent climate change?
Una sa segregation ng mga basura, yung pagsusunog, dapat iniiwasan na yon. Saka para maiwasan yung sobrang init, dapat nagtatanim tayo ng mga puno. Ito talagang pinto.
Ayun, as a student leaders, currently nasa ako ngayon sa student council ng CBM. Siguro, since paalis na kami, I can suggest the incoming officers na magkaroon ng mga programs na for the environment na kung saan makakatulong ito. Not just for the nourishment of the students, but also may benefit din na makukuha ang ating environment.
To summarize their opinions, most of the opinions of the Partido State University students are the same. When it comes to their idea about climate change, it is the weather changes or the normal change in climate. in what they think is the reason of having a climate change. First is the pollution, fossil fuels, deforestation, and etc. And their moods or feelings during climate change. Some of them said it depends on the weather because having a climate change is irritating and hot-headed. And lastly, what they can do to prevent climate change. And they all have the same answers, which is to suggest to have a programs to the youth for the environment, segregations of the garbage, and tree planting. There are things we can do to help address climate change. One of the most important is reducing our carbon footprint by reducing our energy source like solar and wind power. We can also make changes in our daily lives, such as using public transportation, reducing meat consumption, and reducing waste. In conclusion, climate change is a complex issue, but one that we can all take action on. By reducing our carbon footprint and supporting policies that addresses climate change, we can make a difference in protecting planet for future generations. And we hope it inspired you to take actions. Thank you.